In this video, we're going to review the YayMail WooCommerce email customizer. Hi, my name is Stratos and I create video tutorials about WordPress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. This plugin will help you change and edit the emails that WooCommerce sends to your customers. You will be able to create something that will match your brand, and it will be far more professional than that the WooCommerce has by default. We will see the pro version in a little bit. Let's scroll down for the free one. And here we will see that it supports 11 templates for WooCommerce. New order email, order cancelled email, order failed email, order on hold email, order processing email, order completed email, order refunded email, customer invoice email, customer note email, customer new account email, and customer reset password email. All of those are in the free version. You have some blocks that you can work with. And here for the pro version, it says that it has more integration, so you can create templates for other solutions as well. And also we have conditional logic. Also the Yay add-ons are in the pro version as well. Let's go into the website. I will put all the links in the description below. Let's go for the pricing. So the YayMail Pro has a single license for $59. Then 3 sites is $139 and unlimited size $399. For one-time payment, you will have to pay for the single site $199, for the 3 sites $339, for unlimited sites $999. And let's visit here the free versus pro comparison, and you will see that the free has 11 default WooCommerce emails that we already checked, full customizability, all-in-one upper toolbar, instant live preview, send test emails, and that's all for the free version. Everything else is in the pre version. Let's go now to the website that we're going to play with. So let's add new. And here I'm going to type email customizer. Now, I know that this solution has email customizer in the title, but I think it more as a builder. It's a drag-drop builder that you can change pretty much everything inside your email template. We have another solution from Kadence team, the Kadence WooCommerce Email Designer, which this is a customizer. You will get into the theme customizer and you will change inside the customizer the emails from WooCommerce as well. But this is more complicated solution. It doesn't have so many options as the YayMail has. And I think for me at this moment, this is a far better solution for you. Let's activate that. And now we can go into the builder with 2 different ways. The first one will be hover over to the YayCommerce and click the YayMail. I will open up in a new tab. And this is the builder. Now I'm going to close that and let's go into the WooCommerce and then into settings. After that, I'm going to choose the emails that says here. And here I have all of those buttons that says customize with YayMail. Both of those ways will get you inside the builder. Here you can change directly from the button, which is the template that you're going to edit. But if you are already inside the builder, you don't have to go outside to choose another template. You can do that inside the builder. I prefer this way because you can see what you want to change. It's easier to find it. And also if you want to change the from name and the from address, you can do that here. You cannot do that inside the customizer with YayMail. You have to do it from here. So we're going to choose one of those, the complete order. I don't have to change the others because you will see how simply it is. Let's jump into the builder. And let's talk first about the layout. In the left column, we have something similar to most builders. So if you have already worked with a builder, you will know what's what. Here are the elements that you can use. It's a drag and drop, so you can take whatever you want and put it wherever you want to put that element. If we go down, we have also the general elements, and then we have the WooCommerce elements. Here we have the settings tab, which is for the whole template. Then we have the template that you are working with. So this is the completed order, as you can see, because it's bold. And if you select another one, then you can jump directly into it. You don't have to go outside the builder. This circle that's gray means that this template is not active yet. If I go and activate it here, enable that so I will activate it, this will go and change into green, as you can see here. Here we can change the order that we're now viewing inside here. And here are shortcodes. This is the send test email. This is a blank page, so you can start from the beginning. This is to import template. This is the reset template, so it will start from the default one. Here are the pro features for undo and redo. This is, as we said, the switch that enables and disables the template. This is the preview that will give us the desktop preview and the mobile preview. And here is, of course, the save button. The shortcodes that you can see here are all those that you can use inside the text, and there will be also inside the elements inside the text with a single button. You don't have to copy from here, but here you can see everything all at once. I would recommend, before you start processing the template, to go and create an order so you can have something to play with your own products from your website. I just paused the video, created the order, so if I want to see it, I have to go refresh the page and then it will be available for me to select it from here. Let's go and select this one. This is the number 4443 order, and as you can see, this is what I have. I'm going to first edit some of the elements that I have already inside here, and then I'm going to add a few more. Let's start by the beginning. So once I click here, I can see that this is element that it's named logo, and I can change, of course, everything that it's inside here. Let's change the image, and I will put the actual logo from that store. This is a template store, of course, so I don't have a real logo, but this is the logo that it's using. After that, I can change the background, so I'm going to put it as white. Then for this, I'm going to change the color to something like a blue, light blue, then probably put it in the middle, and it says, thanks for shopping with us. I'm not going to change the text at this moment. After that, let's click here. It says, hi test, and the test is the billing first name, as you can see. This is the shortcode that it's using. I'm going to add also the last name just to have something more. So I'm going to click here that says shortcode, then select for the billing and then select the last name. And as you can see, inside the text has already my last name. After that, it says we have finished processing your order. If you want, you can add some padding. It says here bottom 0 because it takes also a white space from here, but I'm going to add just a little padding. Every time you want to see the preview, you can click here and you can see how it looks at this moment. Let's close that and let's go here. Here I have the order item, as you can see, and I will select also to change the color. And after that, I can change also the titles from those columns. So I have here product, I can name that products. Then I have the cost, and if something is not refreshing, then click save, maybe refresh the page. In most cases, it will work. After that, I can change the quantity title, I can change the price title, I can change the order item title, and everything else that you can see here are editable. Let's go to the next one, which is the billing address. I can change here the color as well, but I'm going to remove this to add something different. So I'm going to leave it as it is for the moment. Thanks for shopping with us. I'm going to change that and put that in the middle as well. Let's put a little bit of padding to the top, 30, and bottom I'm going to change that to 30 as well. For the footer, as it says here, footer, I'm going to remove the build with WooCommerce and I'm going to leave it as it is. Let's click save. And now let's start adding some things. I'm going to remove this billing address and shipping address from here. And let's change that to two different elements that have only the shipping address on top and then the billing address at the bottom. So if I want to remove that, I can click here, then click the dots and then select to remove this. As you can see, it has also duplicate and copy this element too, and you can copy that to a different template. Yeah, sure, I'm going to delete that. After that, let's add the social icons at the bottom here. And if I click here, I can change the social that I have, edit them and choose what I want. And also let's click cancel, add another social, and that will be the WhatsApp. And if you want, you can add also your WhatsApp address here. Okay, this is good. Let's save that. And then let's go and add here an image list. something like that. This is great to promote other products inside your order email that your customer will get. So you can add here your most popular products and maybe persuade the client to buy something different in his order email. So let's go and select this one and select use this email. Select this one, change the image and select this one, and change this and select this one. And of course, with every image, you have to go and select the URL and add here the product URL. So whenever someone clicks the image, he will go into that URL, into that product. Let's save that. Let's see what other elements we have. We have an image, we have a button, and I'm going to add it just to see how it looks, so you can see what it is. Then we have a text, we have already text, we have title, social icon, the video that you can add videos if you want from YouTube or from your own website. So be sure that this is a URL that it's accessible all the time, so the video will not play if it's not. Let's go back to the elements, and here we will see that we have also the image box, and this is how it looks. We have a text list, we have an HTML block, so you can add HTML if you want. Here I would add maybe the Google map, because I add that in HTML code inside the contact page. And it's nice to have the Google map inside your order email. After that, you can select the footer if you want, and for the general we have the space divider, 1 column, 2 columns, 3 and 4 columns. For the WooCommerce, we have the shipping address and the billing address that we used. We have the billing shipping address. This one was the one that we deleted. Then we have the order item, and if I click here, we'll see that the order was already inside my template. The hook is a nice thing that you can add. The hook is basically the payment method that you can add in the bottom after the billing address, maybe, that it will remind to the customer that he's going to pay with the method that he has already selected, direct bank transfer. After that, let's go and see what other we have. We have the order item download. So if it's a downloaded item, then you can add that box, that element. Let's go into the settings, and here are some things that I would like to change. So I'm going to remove here the order, and I'm not going to remove anything else. Now let's go into the settings, and here we can see that we have the directional RTL, we have the container width for 605 pixels, we have display payment instruction and details only for customers, or yes or no, and after that we can show the product image. This is something that I really like, and let's go and change that, and I have to go and click save in order for that to be refreshed and to show the images here. As you can see, these are the images. I'm going to change though to be in the left of the item, and you can change that to different size. I'm not going to change the size, I'm going to change just the height to 100 pixels and 100 pixels. Okay, let's save that. And you see how better looking it is right now. After that, I want to show the product hyperlinks, and I'm going to click yes. And let's save that as well. And now if someone clicks inside the title, he will go directly into that product inside my website. You can show product regular prices, you can show product item cost and custom CSS that you can add, enable, and add anything you want. After that, we have the email settings, and here you can change the background color of everything. So I can do something like that if I want. Let's put it where it was. You have the email content background color, which is this white that we have, and then the text link color that you can change to something different as well. After that, we have the enable and disable templates, and here you can choose whatever template you want to enable directly. You don't have to jump one by one and enable that from this switch. You can do it directly from here. You can click save after you are finished. Then you have the reset that will reset to the default templates. And here we have the import and export template, so you can export something and use it to another store or just for a backup of your template. And you see how easy it was to change and make something different from the order template, the completed order template of WooCommerce. Even in the free version, you can create something that looks really good, and you can use it in order to make something that matches your brand of your website. Again, for me, it's a far better solution than Cadence email customizer, and this is far easier and it has a ton of features. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.